Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, how you doing? Let's complete the exam view sheets for chapter 1, Introduction to Physics. Number 42. If a circle has a radius, you have the radius, what is its area? Expressed to the correct number of significant figures. You know the law. A equals by R squared. Pi is approximately to 3.1459, okay, times the area square 1.109 square. It equals to 3.1459 times. When you get the square of this number, you will reach 1.229. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. This is larger than 4 significant figures, so the answer must has 4 significant figures like the least significant figure here. So the answer with calculator equals 3.8637514. So we will take this number. This is the first significant figure, second, third, fourth, but 7 increase the 3 to 4, right? So the answer is 3.864. This is the right answer. We have it here. Yes, letter C. Let's go to 43. A train travels at constant speed 60.4 miles per hour for 101.5 minutes. What distance does the train cover expressed in the correct number of significant figures? You know well that distance equals speed times time. Here speed is 60.4 mile per hour. And you have the time in minute. Let's convert here or use this conversion factor that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Times the time 101.5 minutes. So minutes goes with minutes, hour goes with hour. This number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 significant figures. This number 1, 2, 3 significant figures. So the answer must have 3 significant figures. The answer on the calculator 102.17. So we need 3 significant figures, right? 102. This one we don't care about it, right? So the answer will be 102 mile. This is the right answer. 102 mile, letter B. About 44. A dog has 3 puppies. Spot weighs 12 ounces. This is the first one. Rascal weighs 9.5 ounces. Socks weighs 10.2 ounces. What is the total weight of their letter expressed to the correct number of significant figures? Hold on. Here is 2 significant figures. There is addition here. We don't care about significant figure. We care about decimal places. We don't have decimal places here. Here 1 decimal places. Here 1 decimal places. So the answer mustn't have any decimal place. So the answer equals 31.7. But as you see, the answer mustn't have any decimal place. This 7 increases 1 to 2. So 32 ounces. The right answer is letter C. About 45. A traveler has about this amount of dollars in his checking account, about 2,107 in his saving account, and exactly 7.62 in his wallet. To the greatest precision granted, how much money does the shopper have? Let's make addition. 536 plus 2,107 plus $7.62. The total amount will equal 2,650.62. As you see, this number doesn't have any decimal places, so the answer mustn't have any decimal places. So this 6 increase 0 to 1. So by rounding, it equals $2,651. The answer is letter A. For number 46. To get to her physics class, Alice walks 0.25 mile to the bus stop. She takes the bus 1.2 mile to the train station. She takes the train 13 mile and walks the remaining 0.17 mile to her class. Sure, she likes physics class to do all of that. How far is her commit expressed to the correct number of significant figure? Let's make addition. At the beginning, 0.25 mile plus 1.2 mile plus 13 mile plus 0.17 mile. As you see, this number doesn't have any decimal place. Here we have 2, here we have 1, here we have 2. So the answer mustn't have any decimal place. The answer using calculator equals 14.62. As you see, this 6 increases 4 to 5. So she walks about 15 miles. As I said, she likes physics lab to take this distance, to reach it. Let's go to number 47. 56 plus this number. Let's deal with this number. 56 plus, as you see, 32.00 over this number equals 1 plus 3, 4.6965. It equals 6 point, hold on, I have 56 here. 56 plus 6.8135. Hold on, this number doesn't have any decimal place, so the answer mustn't have any decimal place. Let's make a count. Here is 6 plus 6, 12, 26.8135. This 8 increases 2 to 3. So the right answer is 63. We have here the answer letter D. Let's move to 48. Using a digital balance, the mass of a certain piece of wood is read to 12.946 grams. Thinking in terms of accuracy and significant figure, what value would you record on your data sheet if the balance accurate to 1/10, so 1 decimal place only? So hold on, 12.946. You need it to accurate to 1/10, so 46 you cancel it, right? So the answer will be 12.9 only. The answer is letter A. About 49. Which of the following number is the smallest? At the beginning, let's convert each one of them to scientific notation. So here 15, it is written wrong. We need to put decimal point in the beginning. Move it to the left. So 1.5, we make the number less, so we need to multiply 10 power 1 times 10 power negative 3. It yields 1.5 times 10 power negative 2. The one, letter B, let's move to the right. So this is 1.5. We increase it, right? So times 10 power negative 1 times 100 means 10 power 2. The answer will be 1.5 times 10 power 1. About letter 3, let's move the decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.5 times 10 power negative 4 times 10 power 3. It yields 1.5 times 10 power negative 1 as the answer above. Letter D. Let's move the decimal point on the right side and put 10 power negative. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1.5 times 10 power negative 7 times 10 power 6 means 1.5 times 10 power negative 1. He asked about the smallest. Sure, the one letter A is the smallest. Okay, so the answer is letter A. For 50, which of the following number is equivalent to the number this number? Let's deal with them. Or at least we deal with this number. It is easier. 0, 0, 0, 1, 7, 7, 6. Let's move this to the right side and put 10 power negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.776 times 10 power. As we said, 1, 2, 3, 4 means negative 4. We have the answer here is letter A. Instead of trying all of the answer, we reach it easily like that. Letter A. The answer is letter A. For 51, write out the number in full with a decimal point and the correct number of zeros. At the beginning, we have 8.42, 10 power negative 5, so we will return back 5 decimals, right? So 24, we don't need it. Here, we move one side. So this is negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. After that, I move it once. So I still have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4.0. As you see, negative 5, I move it the decimal point 1. I still have negative 4. So I put 4 0 and close it by the decimal point. After that, I put 0. Okay, I usually say the last 0 from your pocket. So where is the right answer here? Letter B. It has 4 zeros as you see. So the right answer is letter B. About 52. What is the result of calculation? Let's make the calculation here. For this, here is times and times. For the first part, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 0 point. Times 2.20 times 10 power 3. Hold on, how many decimal significant figure for the product or for the multiplication and division? We deal with significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the answer must have 3 significant figures. Use your calculator, you will reach 948.2. So 1, 2, 3, we will cancel the 0.2. So the answer will be 948. 948, the answer is letter C. For the next one, here is 2 significant, right? The number to the power negative half. Let's write it. 2.2 times 10 power 6 to the power negative half. Use your calculator. You will reach this number. 6.741998625 times 10 power negative 4. We needed only 2 significant figures. 1, 2. What about the 4? All of that we will cancel it. So 6.7 times 10 power negative 4. We cancel the 4 because it is less than the 5, so it doesn't increase 7 to 8. So we will cancel it. So the answer 6.7 times 10 power negative 4. That means it is letter A. For 54, express the number 13.5 gigameter in meters without using scientific notation. At the beginning, 13.5. We know giga means 10 power 9, right? So it equals 10 power 9 meter. So we will move this decimal point to the right, 135. So we used 1 0, we still have 8 zeros, right? 1 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I have 8 zeros. What is the answer here? The answer is letter D. 8 zeros as you see. So the answer is letter D. For 55, 100 milliliter is equivalent to which one? You know that 100 milliliter times the 1 liter equal 10 power 3 milliliter. Milliliter goes with milliliter, so 100 over 1000 means 0.1 liter. So the answer is letter C. For 56, 10 milliliter test tube is equivalent to which one of the following? 10 milliliter. Let's try to convert it to liter. You know that 1 liter equal 10 power 3 milliliter. Milliliter goes with milliliter, so 10 over 1000 means 0.01 liter or 10 power negative 2, right? So do we have this answer? Yes, so it finished. Letter A. For 57, this number can be expressed in millimeter instead of centimeter. You know that 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So 0.00325 times 10 power negative 8 centimeter times 1 centimeter 10 millimeter. So it equals 0.00325 times 10 power 10 power negative 8 times 10 power 1, 10 power negative 7, right? So let's convert it to scientific notation. Here we will move this sign toward right, so we will make the number greater. So we need to put 10 power negative again. 1, 2, 3. So 3.25 times 10 power negative 3 times 10 power negative 7 means 3.25 times 10 power negative 10. Do we have this answer? Negative 10. Yes, the right answer is letter C. That's enough for this video. We'll complete the rest of the problems in next videos. God bless all of you.